Hi guys, Celai here, back with another beauty series video. So today I'm going to be making a lavender face mist. Of course, we're going to be using our aloe vera for our base. Alright, today's main ingredient is lavender extract. It's antibacterial, which means that it helps fight acne and it heals injured skin. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, this is a 59 milliliter container, and if this is a 5% solution, then that means we're going to have to use 3 milliliters of the solution. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so you got to make sure that it's at least 3 milliliters, at least get it close. Oh no, that's a lot. Okay, yeah, okay, this is good. Okay, now let's put it in. All right, so now we're gonna be filling the rest with the aloe vera. You know what? Okay. Now we're going to be putting the rest of this. Oh, wow. All right. So this is what it looks like. This is it. All right. Okay. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I can't really shake it because I kind of filled it up too much. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to use it. All right. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to use it now. Okay. 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 Sorry. Sorry, got in my nose. I'm sorry. Yes, okay, I really liked it because when I was spraying it, it definitely smelled like lavender. And you know, that's probably one of my favorite essential oils, well, smelling wise. And you guys can use this anytime your skin is feeling dry, but knowing me, I'm probably going to use this like every 1 minute or so, but it's okay. I can't get enough because it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my nose is like... I'm good now. Okay, I'm good. I'm gonna really enjoy this and continue using it like all my other sprays. Mists. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite essential oil is. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye!